phone, kindly proceed. Isaac, are you there? If Isaac is not there, Elijah? Elijah sang.
And wakili Manwa, what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop so that nafasi yangu inachukuliwa na mtu mwingine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, Rosemary. Thank you. We appreciate.
Yes, my name is.
Elijah, you can proceed. Thank you very much.
Yes. Thank you for giving me this chance. Currently, I'm in Somalia. I've worked in Iraq, and I've worked in Afghanistan. So my only point which I want to express is peace. Because one time, I must say I was a soldier. And if I was a soldier, when you people bash somebody called a soldier, it feels bad that these people are also human beings. We're happy of the democracy that is going on in Kenya right now. It is giving us light. It is giving us even a name where we are. But my problem is, are these soldiers our brothers, sisters, or relatives, to an extent that we bash and we abuse in such a way? All of us were on social media and we were watching what is going on. And I tend to ask myself if, as lawyers, you are biased. Because humanity means to protect all people. Soldiers are human beings. Though they are in government, you can say they're in government, but they are human beings. Before I went to let's say military, I was in university and I studied. And what happened is the training that soldiers get is not the same when he gets in and when he gets out. So let us get some talks that cannot ignite some egos that can damage our country. I've heard somebody in Norway talking about having a demonstration, maandamano in Kenya. If we need to follow law, and we need to follow what Constitution says, maandamano is accepted in Kenya, is in law. And it is meant to be licensed that you start from somewhere to somewhere, and from this time to this time. It should be peaceful. So it's like I'm also thinking about that lady whose shoe rack was burnt, and she had to go and repair it for 40,000 or to 60,000. Who is representing this lady? There is a lady who dropped from second floor, the ground, and he broke her leg. Who is representing this lady? So there's also that person who lost up to 14 million business. Who is representing that guy? So my problem is let's forge a way forward for our country. Let's not damage the country the way it is. I yearn for peace. Where we are is not peaceful at all. And if at all some of you can be taken around to these countries like Somalia, you will cry. You will cry and ask yourself, is Kenya peaceful? When you go to places like Iraq, people are not safe. And I must say like this, as a trained person, let's learn to do a civic duty by educating our people how to demonstrate. Because I have a gun with a bullet and you're throwing to me a stone. And those two people are Kenyans. One has a stone, one has a gun. So my point is, let's love our country. Those who are in America, educate us how we can do mandaman, peaceful mandaman. And one time I will try to go to court and be represented by maybe Faith Athiambo. That how can a soldier or a police be protected? Does he has any right, or does she has any right? That person who has destroyed, who has his whole properties gone, does he or she has right? That's my point. Otherwise, I'm pleased to be here, and I will continue listening to you people, and let's have peace in our country. Those other people don't enjoy what you guys enjoy in Kenya. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Elijah, for your contribution. I think I first want to appreciate the fact that you're one of the men and women, one of the men this country has sent out to protect the sovereignty of this state. We haven't had a soldier speak on this forum, but it's important to know that as the Law Society, we have been at the forefront fighting for the reforms within the police space, within the security space.